Okay, you know what?
Is that magic or what?
I have no clue.
I believe he don't know army rules.
Yes, my friend. The disposal price of my AK is 200 million.
Yeah, 200 million.
You, sir, I, sir, we are sorry. We used to.
What was that? A laugher in doses?
Nah, bro, it sounded like somebody was sobbing and coughing.
I almost choked on a hamburger. Fuck
Guys,
this.
Oh dear God. Oh dear God. You sard. You're gonna the song of Shakaron Macaron.
Sagoxi, I have a question.
Yes.
Where is the toilet, sir? I need to sar.
I wanted to tell you something. I got my M4.
I did it. Oh my God, I did it.
Wow, nice. Wait here, don't move.
That's Dixie. You're a really bad driver.
Good. It's enough.
Damn.
No. Listen. I push you to flip back.
Good. Enough.
I hurt.
Sorry.
Take best and ammo and back to duties. Okay, sir. Okay.
I don't understand. Move.
Don't shoot, I have passenger. Don't shoot, I have passenger.
Yes, we know you have passenger. You have your passenger.
I don't like army.
We don't like you either then.
Bye bye.
I let. Ooh,
Love you too.
Oh, this is the new model of Urus? I mean, what happens to this Urus?
He's a bit small.